I hope that everyone is having an awesome weekend. And to make it more awesome, we are here to introduce our Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator program. So, the first reason why I wanted everyone to join in and register is that this is the only program. First of all, it is being associated with Google Cloud, and as you know that Google is one of the top most company in the entire world, and they are giving an opportunity for everyone to learn certification badges as well as obtain a tons and tons of swags, that too for free. There is not even a single rupee that the person or a student has to pay, and they can get everything provided they complete some of the skill badges and few trivias and games. I will tell you detail about everything, what is skill badges, what is a game, and what is a trivia badge. But you have to do a particular number of these skill badges and respective games, then only you will get the swags. So yeah, let's start. um, First of all, I wanted to ask that for everyone in this meet, are you particularly sure that have you registered, because the main process or the starting of the entire program starts from here only. And if you want, I can talk in Hindi also or English as per you. So yeah, I am getting a lot of thumbs up, so that's good. But even if a single person has not registered, tell me right now, either in the comment section or just unmute yourself, and I will tell you right here how to register, because that is really important, and then only you can get the opportunity to learn to learn more about certifications and swags. Matlab, instead of that, there will be no process that could help you. So the main process is to register first. So let me show you how to register, just in case one of you has not registered right now. So as you can see, this is the link bit.ly / GCAF Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator hyphen 24 2024. So when I go to this will be redirecting to me. This is the official website and the official gateway to the arcade facilitator program. As you can see, it has already written that it is an always on and no cost, that means absolutely free gaming campaign, in which you can learn new cloud skills like computing, application development, big data, and artificial intelligence also. And I think that the entire industry is revolving around these four ideas only. So for example, if you learn or if you become a top notch player or a top notch skill badge, um, you have achieved a skill badge in any of this technology, so I can guarantee you that you can easily get an internship, a full time opportunity, or even do wonderful projects in big companies just by learning these skills. And not only that, you can earn digital badges and points, and these points will be helping you in claiming the swag prizes as well as the Google Cloud goodies. So this is 100% official Google Cloud goodies. You will get either a hoodie, a t-shirt, a bottle, or backpack, anything like that, and everything will be embossed with the title or with the name Google Cloud, so you can just boast it to everyone that yeah, Google has sent me a swag, that too entirely for free, and there will be no delivery charges, nothing. You have to just enroll it. The enrollments are open now. So the entire process is of 2 months. It has started from July 22nd, and it will get completed by 22nd of September. So see, first of all, there are three things: skill badges, skill badges, then there is a game which is called level 1, level 2, level 3, so on, and then there will be a trivia badge. So you have to do some of these things, and then only you can get tons and tons of swags. So let me tell you how to do that. So as you can see, these are the swags. These are only a small subset. There will be more swags in the future because they get updated every year, and these are of previous year. So trust me, you will get more updated and more better quality of swags. So as I can zoom here, you can see here's a cool T-shirt. This is a drawing pad in which you can stick all your devices like iPad, tablets, or even phones, and you can connect it via a stylus, and you can draw anything like in that. You get a cool this is a multi-function pen. This pen has a torch, ballpoint pen, I think compass also. Here's a backpack. Similarly, This is a speaker alarm clock. These are cool gadgets, cool pens, and this is a retractable water bottle. Another cool wizard T-shirt, as well as I don't remember what is it. I think it is a motion sensor light. You have to just rub your hand around over it, and this will switch on the light. And see, there's a table lamp, a cool thermal bottle means that if you put in hot water it stays hot for 24 hours, and similarly for cold water, similarly like that. And yeah, so let me tell you how to register. In case you haven't registered, you have to click on this big blue button. It says enroll in this program here. Once I click here, you will get a link. Enroll in this program here. You will get a Google form. I hope that it is visible. Yeah, so you will get a Google form. You have to write an email, your email, for example, test@gmail.com. This is just for testing purpose. You have to write your own email here. You can see get a chance to win these exciting, cool Google Cloud goodies. You have to click on next. You have to accept this. Go to next. And here's the main gist. You have to confirm your email address, full name, gender, country. And the cool thing about this is it is open for everyone, whether you are a student, you are working, or you are a developer in the Steam company, or even others. If you are just looking for higher studies, then also if you are retired, then also. So some people ask that, yeah, I am my father or grandfather is really into coding and stuff. So these are extremely open to them also. The most important thing is that you have to enter facilitator referral code. As you can see, the
Excuse
asterisk
me,
means
भैया.
that
Hello.
yeah. Hello.
भैया, one doubt is there. Means I have done arcade of phase one. So can I do means this facilitator program with same ID?
Yes, you can do with the same ID, but the problem is that you have to complete
No, I
some
have a
skill
yeah. I
badges
haven't
also.
done any skill badge. I think that two skill badge that we have done in GNI program, GNI study, GNI study jam.
Okay, so then
So
in that case, you cannot repeat those skill badges, but
yeah, yeah.
apart from them, you can do anything, any skill badge, and you can do the new games as well as trivia badge. There is no, there is no problem in reusing the same email ID,
Okay, भैया.
but you have to fill this form with that email ID only.
Yes, भैया.
Okay. Yeah, so as I was saying, the most important is this facilitator referral code. So asterisk means that it is a mandatory field and you cannot skip it. And if you do not have the facilitator code, my friend Harsh can copy paste the facilitator code in the chat section and he will pin it. So you can just copy it from there or even from our WhatsApp community. We have pinned the message. You can just copy it and paste here. Then if you are graduated or if you are graduate soon to be graduated, if you are in your school days right now, so you can either choose 2024 or after graduated, anything like that. And this is another important thing. You have to create a cloud skill boost. So yeah, if I say that no, I want to create one, so I have to, I'm just randomly putting anything like here. Okay, so let me copy the, yeah, that's great, thank you so much. Yes. So this is our referral code. You have to copy and paste this only, because as I told you, if you just randomly do anything, so it will say that it is invalid. So you have to do this only because this is entered in their backend system, the Google Cloud system, and anything like that. No, I want to create one. If you have already created, you can click on yes, I already have account and also completed a few badges, or no, as per your thing. And Here you can see that how to create your account in the Cloud Skill Boost. Also, if you want to see the video, we have provided the video in our in the WhatsApp community also. So what it shows that you have to navigate to this, then you have to click on join and create an account. You can create an account via the details. Also, you can create it via linking the Gmail, your Gmail ID. So that will be really easy. What you have to do, you have to click on this join button, and then you have to sign in via your Gmail ID, or you can create a new account, and that's it. That you have created a Cloud Skill Boost account. So I verify. Next. So you have to create a new account on Cloud Skill Boost. And next. Okay, so now it's the time for public profile. So as you can see, there are the steps. It says that you have to log in into this site. Once you are logged in, then go to profile/badges. So this will be your public profile. So either you have a profile, or you have to do it for the first time. So here you can see, if you are not a public profile member, so it will be saying something like this: your profile is not public and accessible, and there will be a black button called make public profile. You have to simply click on this, and it will show a URL, something like this: https public profile/profile id. You will be having your own unique profile ID. Do not copy paste this, else your application will be rejected, because this is really important. They will track your points via this public profile only, and then only you can get the swags. As you know that you have to complete few points, and then you have to convert those points into your t-shirts or any goodies. So you have to paste it here only. So just for the sake of entering, I am just adding anything in random. Okay, so yeah, they are also validating it, so cannot do anything in this. You have to write your, or you have to paste your correct public profile ID here. And so I think this is the entire process of registration, and you have to complete the entire enrollment form via this process. Let me check the chat section if you have any doubts. I think there is no doubt regarding this registration process. I just hope that everyone has completed the registration process, including the referral code. Let's move on to the next slide. I have told you this. You have to click here, fill the form. Yeah. So after, I think, 24 to 48 hours, you will get a confirmation mail. You can either get a mail in the inbox, also you can check your more and then spam folder, because most of the time it gets transferred into spam because of the filters. So you can check your spam folder also. The heading would be, the title would be, congratulations, you are enrolled in Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator Program 2024. Then you can see the entire mail here. I do not have the entire mail right now, but what it shows that there will be a unique code. Please do not share that code with anyone else, because that is unique to you. And if someone else uses your code, you would not get your monthly subscription, and you have to pay every time every time you are playing a game. So after copying the code, you have to click here, enter your code. And if you want to see the entire process, I would recommend you to go onto our WhatsApp community. There is also a video for this, how to proceed for the monthly subscription. If you want, we can pin it again. Like Tushar is saying, when I started to doing labs, I had issues that it conveys me for token that I do not have. Yeah, so if you are getting a issue that says that you have to you have to enter a token, that means that you have not completed this confirmation process, and you haven't got the monthly subscription. What you can do, that you can revisit this email. You can do the entire process again. You have to copy the code, unique code, paste it there, then you can see that you have got 9 credits. After you complete the lab called Introduction to Google Clouds, your 9 credits would be converted into monthly subscription. It says monthly subscription, but it is valid for 2 months. Then there will be no requirement of any tokens. You can do unlimited labs absolutely free. And by the way, if you want to know that, one credit means $1. So in a sense, you have got unlimited dollars, but just for 2 months. Where can I find the unique code? If you see that you have got an email id, you have got an email from Google Cloud. As you can see, the sender would be Google Cloud Edu. So you can find it in your entire inbox or in spam. Then you have to scroll down. There will be a code. You just have to copy that code. The code will be in bold letters. I think that clears it out. So Harsh, if you are ready, can you give a demo for the monthly subscription, or should I refer them to the video that we have in our WhatsApp group? Yeah, that okay, that's great. So I'll let you share your screen and you can give the demo. Uh, your only your screen is stuck here. Can you do the entire screen share? Yes. Yes, thank you so much, Harsh. And if you can go to that lab. So, no, no, no. Scroll up in the test your understanding. Yes, this. So, guys, while you wait for this, all this you can see the test your understanding, and there is a particular question, MCQ type. So these are absolutely optional, but if you have time, like you have to wait for 5 to 10 minutes, so you can try to perform these steps. And if you click on true and then submit, it gives the wrong answer, but no worries. You have unlimited unlimited choices of four, and you can do anything, any try. So there will be no point system. You do not have to get sad like I have got one cross, that means that I have to do the entire lab again. That is not, because these are absolutely optional. The important thing is that, as you can see on the right hand side, there is 100 out of 100, so you have to click this check my progress for all the steps. And once you get the absolute score, like here the score is 100 out of 100, there can be some labs in which you have to do three steps. So these will be three or four steps. So in case of four, that will be divided into 25 points, and you have to do all the points. So that's why you can get 25 into 4, that is 100 points. So that was it from my side. I thank Harsh for giving a great demo, and I think Tushar and everyone has got to know how to claim your monthly subscription. First you have to get the 9 credits, then that will be converted into monthly subscription. And you can see, if we wait for 10 minutes and then end lab, you can see that the particular user will be getting, instead of 9 credits, it will be written monthly subscription in green. Yes, thank you. So you have told it absolutely right. Right. If you start with one lab, and if you want to jump onto the another lab, it is really mandatory that you complete or end lab the first lab, and then only go, or then only proceed to the next one. Coming back to the slides. So I think everyone has got to know till the confirmation, and yeah, the contents of the program. So there are three things you have to complete. All these three things if you want to get the swags and goodies. One is the arcade game, another is arcade trivia games, and third one is the skill badges. So see, the games and trivia will start from August, but you have a unique opportunity that you can complete all the skill badges, or up to your potential, the skill badges, till 31st of July, and I will tell you why. So once I tell you what is the Google Cloud Arcade and what are the games. So there are some particular levels, like level 1, level 2, level 3, and a base camp. So these are the games. This is just a unique way to tell that we are going to start a new lab. In fundamentally speaking, every lab is absolutely the same way. This is just like you have to do some particular task in a particular tag. Like these are the tags called arcade games. Similarly, you have trivia quest, and then you have skill badges. But all in all speaking, you have to just complete the labs, and all the labs are completely working in the same way. So if you have seen the demo, that was one lab, and similarly you have to complete few labs that will give you skill badges as well as games and trivia labs. So focusing on to the skill badges right now, because the games and trivia will start from the August. We will give you another recording or another beat in the starting of August week, so that we can refresh your memory for the games as well as trivia. But for now, we are sticking to the cloud badges only. So what is a skill badge? So it is a exclusively digital skill badge. That demonstrates your recognized skill sets. As I can zoom here, you can see that there are particular topics, like it is infrastructure modernization, data management, smart analytics, and similarly there will be tons and tons of skill badges for that. So you can see there are levels also: introductory level, intermediate level, and there is one advanced level. I would recommend you to start with the introductory, because introductory skill badges can be completed, I mean, the entire skill batch can be completed in 20 to 30 minutes. And if you complete the skill badges in the July month itself, so you get 1 point for one skill batch. And after July, if you start the skill badges in August or September, you have to do two skill badges in order to get 1 point. So how do I earn a skill badge? You have to complete the hands-on labs, as well as there will be a final assessment. But do not worry, we will give you the entire question answers for that final assessment. There will be a challenge lab, so do not worry. We can give you the entire solution for that. You have to just copy paste it, and then boom, you are completed with the skill badge. You can display these skill badges in your resume and CV also. There will be a Credly account. All these skill badges will be added into your Credly account, and you can simply share that to the recruiter or the interviewer, and they, trust me, they will be mind blown, or they will be impressed by the skill badges. If you have done in a lot of number, so they will be really impressed during the interview process and all. These are the just benefits on doing the skill badges, like you can get hands-on experience. It means that if you click on the Google Cloud Console, as you have seen in the demo, so that is the actual demonstration of how the Google Cloud works. There is no simulation. It is exact replica of how Google Cloud is working in top companies like Netflix, Amazon, Facebook, and Bain, MCG. So everyone is using Google Cloud the exact same way as you are learning via skill badges. Also, it proves that you have the in-demand skills, as I told you, data management and infrastructure modernization. So it means, or it is a stamp that you have completed that particular badge, and you have the hands-on skills for that particular section. And you can also share your accomplishments via Credly or in the CV. So yeah, now the most important part, as most of you have asked that how many skill badges have should I do in order to get a swag, a shirt, or anything like that. So here is this. See, there are 4 milestones, and you will get appropriate prizes for that. For example, if I say that I do not have a lot of time, so I just want to do milestone one. In order to that, in order to do that, I have to complete 2 arcade games, 2 trivia games, and only any 8 skill badges. So I think there are more than 100, but if you do any 8, then I can guarantee you that you have completed the milestone one. And after that, see, 8 skill badges means that if you do it in August, so I will divide it by 2, because 2 skill badges give you 1 point. So that will be 4. And each game and each trivia gives you 1 point. So that means 4 plus 4 equal to 8 arcade points. But since you have completed the milestone one, we will provide you 2 bonus points. So in total, you will get 10 instead of 8. Similarly, if you go on to the second, 3, 4, 18. 18 divided by 2, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. So 16 arcade points. But instead of 2, now you are getting 9 bonus points. So 16 plus 9 means you have total 25 arcade points. Similarly, you can get 15 or even 25 bonus points for completing the fourth milestone. One important thing is that, for example, if I say that I have completed till milestone 3, that does not mean that you can get 10 plus 25 plus 40. That means that you will only get the 40. That is the maximum applicable points that you can get. So you will only receive the points for the milestone that you have earned and not for the ones before that. So for example, if you have done the fourth, then you won't get third, second and first. If you have completed first, you will get only the first milestone and only 10 arcade points. I hope that the point system is clear. I will wait for a few minutes in order to see if there are any doubts in chat section. It's good to see that you guys are reacting, and the thumbs up really makes me happy. So yeah, I think that everyone is through with this points system. Do not worry, we can also share the entire point system and this slide in the WhatsApp community also, in order to get you in order to give you a reference. um, See, earlier in previous year, for 10 arcade points, we got a cool t-shirt, the t-shirt that I had shown you in the first slide, the astronaut one. So only in 10 arcade points. So for example, if you get 25 bonus points, that means that if you hadn't done anything, that also you can get 6 t-shirts. Malab, I'm just trying to give a reference. I think that in this year the point system will be changed. Instead of 10, you can get a t-shirt in 5 points only. But just to give a reference, from the previous year, in 10 t-shirt in 10 arcade points, I could have got a one t-shirt, and for 5, I think a cap, and for 7 points I had got a water bottle, the retractable water bottle. So yeah, just imagine if you have 60 points, so you will get at least 5 to 6 swags and goodies, and that too all embossed with Google Cloud official, without any fees, without any delivery charge. Absolutely, that would be amazing for you guys. So yeah, now how to claim your 2 month subscription pass. I think that Harsh has given you an absolute great demo for converting those 9 credit points to 2 month subscription pass, so that you do not get a issue for the tokens, and you get unlimited credits for
Hello,
two
sir. Hello.
months.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, I have completed that tour of Google Cloud's hand-on labs. That shows me 9 credits, but till that 9 credits did not convert it into subscription.
Did you complete the introduction to this
Tour of Google
introduction
Lab.
to Acha,
Tour of Google Cloud.
and had you waited for 10 minutes at least?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes.
Then there are two options. First option is to do the entire process again. Another option is that I can send you a email. You can just simply email them that I had completed the lab. Still, I'm getting that 9 credits instead of monthly subscription. I would say go to the second point after you have completed the first point, because see, they will be taking their time in order to reply to the email. So it's better to complete the entire process once, and make sure that you have completed the lab in this, what we say, the incognito tab only.
Yes, sir. I have completed my task. Yes, sir. Sir, now I have reloaded the page. So instead of 9 credits, it's showing the monthly subscription.
Oh, great.
Yeah, sir. Thank you.
So
So now
you,
I am able to do labs.
yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So that is good that you have actually visited our Malawi, you have joined our meet, so that your doubts can be clearly cleared instantly. So that is good. Thank you, Harsh. Yeah, going on to the next slide. How to claim the monthly pass. This is the website. It contains a video. If you want to refer it to again, we will send this in WhatsApp also. So just click on this. There will be a YouTube video. You can just follow it one by one. Okay, so this is the official Google Cloud Arcade website. I can just copy paste it and show you here also. Cloud Skill Boost. Meet.google/arcade. So this is the official site for the arcade program. Um, a really important thing is to write your email address here and click on the subscribe, else you won't get the email for redeeming your swags. So I should say that after claiming your 2 month subscription, your first thing should be to write your email address here and click on the subscribe button.
Sir, will
As
you
you can
please
see
repeat?
here, subscription to the arcade is necessary to receive important email updates and perks. Perks here mean the swags. However, you can unsubscribe anytime you want. Once you have got the swags, you can easily unsubscribe. So that's no issues. Then you can see the skill badge of the day. For few people who were saying that I have already completed few of the skill badge, if you see this skill badge of the day, I am pretty much sure that you haven't completed it because these get regularly updated. You can simply click on start and you can see the skill badge. So when one student was asking that what's the difference between skill badge and a game. So see, comparing on the basis of time, skill badges require less time because these are only 7, matlab 6 labs and a challenge lab, and you are completed with the entire skill badge. You can get this skill badge in your resume, your creditly account. What you have to do, you can see it takes 6 credits, but since you have a monthly subscription, this will be absolutely free for you. And the entire skill badge can take maximum 445 minutes, but trust me, if you do the shortcuts which will be provided and you just simply copy paste it, so the entire skill batch can be converted into 45 minutes. You can see the introductory. This means that this is really beginner friendly, and you can see that this focuses on data science, business intelligence, and BigQuery. So if you are into AI, ML, if you want to learn it, if you want to start learning, so you can really get a good introduction of data science, BigQuery, and business intelligence here. So what you have to do, you have to click on start module, then you have to click on labs one by one. For example, if I click on this introduction to SQL, you can see get started. You have to click on this and you have to start reading from here. Point number one, see start lab. This is really easy. Then you have to click, you can just simply skip this and you can start from task one, the basics of SQL. You do not have to read the entire thing. You have to just see that where are these, like this is the code. Sometimes you have to just simply copy it and paste it in the Google Cloud console, but I think this is, see there are one two three four tasks that you have to do. Let me show you a good thing. See, you can simply search for tests completed task. For shortcut, you have to just complete these tasks only, like creating a cloud storage bucket and click on check my progress. If you do all this complete test completed tasks, that means that you can get the entire full score of 100, and soon you can just simply click on end lab, and that's it. You have to go to the next lab now. Similarly, you have to complete that. So these are really easy. Like see, maximum it takes 30 minutes. And a good thing is that whatever the time is written here, you can simply divide it by 3 because you are doing only the important stuff. So I think that within 10 minutes you can get completed of the entire lab or even less. So you, once you get a hang of it, you can simply copy paste it really fast. You can even use the shortcuts or the tricks that we will be providing after this meet. You can simply copy paste it in the console and you will be done in 5 to 10 minutes. That's it. So that was the gist of the skill badges. Coming on to the arcade side, So you can see the arcade facilitators. You have to click on this. Once you click on this in the month of August, you will see some skill badges, some games, as well as some trivia games. You have to click on respective start buttons, and that's it. You have to do the laps and you will get respective points. Like if you see here, if I complete level 1, I would get 1 point. If I complete level 2, level 3, you can get 1 point each. For each trivia you get 1 point, and in 1 month there will be 4 trivias. So means that sure shot you will get at least 4 points. And see here in skill badges, if you do 2 skill badges, then you get 1 point, but that is for the month of August onwards. If you do all the skill badges in July only, so instead of doing two, you can get 1 point for one skill badge. That means a 50% discount on all the efforts or all the time that you are utilizing. So that's why I really recommend you guys to start all the skill badges and complete all the skill badges in the month of July itself, so that instead of two you have to do only one skill badge. So that will be beneficial for you only. So yeah, that's if you want to check the FAQs, like how many points will I get if I complete a skill badge and all the questions that are here. So these are the frequently asked questions. You can see the question as well as the answer then and there itself. Coming on to the presentation, I think that till now everything is clear. I give you a refresher for 5 to 10 minutes. I'll see any questions that are unanswered in the chat section, and this is a great time. If you have any doubts, you can unmute yourself and you can even write your question in the chat box. I will answer then and there itself. Do you mean the subscribe button that was in the arcade website? Oh, okay, okay. So you have to go on this link. You have to go on this link, go.cloudscaleboost.google/arcade. Once you go here, we will send this link in WhatsApp also. Once you click on this, there will be, you can see here. So there will be a subscribe button. Let me show it. So once you come on to the official website of Arcade, you can see here it is written email address. You have to just enter your email address here, test@gmail.com. Click on subscribe button. and that's it. The entire process is completed. You have been subscribed, and if you subscribe it, then only you will be getting the important email updates as well as the perks. Perks means goodies. You have to just click subscribe, and that's it. Nothing more. There will be no confirmation message here, but yeah, if you click on this subscribe button, that means that yes, you have been subscribed, and you will start getting email from Google, this Arcade website also, the email of Arcade. Christina, no, this can be done in normal tab also. Only the labs are to be done opened in incognito mode. Actually, we are recommending incognito mode because see, Google Cloud takes credit card informations and they are a costly websites. So that's why we are trying to do incognito mode, because if you are already signed in with your personal email address, so that do not get clashed. So that's why. Okay, yeah, so I have told you about the point system. One important thing is that we are not, here it is written, we are not giving the points in decimals. That means that if you completed one skill badge, that does not mean that you can get zero point 0.5 points. So, for example, three skill badges will give one arcade point only, because two badges give you one, and one skill badge will be getting wasted. That's why I recommend you to always do the skill badges in pairs if you are doing it in August and September, and if you are doing it in July, then one skill badge will give you 1 point, so there is no error in that. So I recommend you guys, if you have some time in July, please complete every skill badge that you can do, introductory level and beginner friendly skill badges, in July itself. Okay, so why I was saying that you have to do one skill badge and you will get 1 point. This is because of this monsoon skill badge challenge. The duration is from 22nd to 31st July only. So here, there are some criteria that are to be followed, which is that you have to earn all the skill badges between 22nd and 31st July only, and in this date range, you will you will be not getting you will be considered for one arcade point per skill badge. This does not affect the. Okay, so this means that yeah, the completing of milestone will be added on this particular section. So if you have any questions and you want to check the frequently asked page of the official arcade website, so you can simply click on this you can simply see this website, bit.ly/GCAF hyphen FAQs, and this will be containing a list of all the questions that are most frequently asked by students, like students and working professionals like you guys only. You can also join our WhatsApp community. So I think that you are already joined in, but if you have some friends, you are dear to them and you want them also to get some goodies and even join this WhatsApp community, so you can share this you can share this to your friends, family, relatives, anyone that you want. So there is no competition between the users. If you complete your points, so each and everyone will get that particular goodie. There is no giveaway or even any lottery system. Everyone will get guaranteed 100% sure Google Cloud goodies. Yeah, so that's it from our side. I think that every question is completely answered. That if yet you have some questions, so now we are completely open for Q&A only, and we'll stick to that. Can we do other skill badges other than the skill badges of the? Yes, yes, sure. There are a total of list of 85 plus skill badges. You can do any number of skill badges that you want. If you do not have the list, you can either go to the WhatsApp chat. There is a pinned message. If you go on to the pin messages, there is a PDF called 85 skill badges. Also, we'll be sharing us all the, what do we say, the shortcuts and tricks to all the skill badges, so that you do not have to utilize much of your time, and the entire skill badges can be done in few minutes only. So that will be a shortcut process. We will be sharing that in WhatsApp. Any further questions? Yeah, sure. You can go with a short trick. We can give a demo for that. Yes, sometimes it gets stuck, but that does not mean that you have to complete end the lab. You have to wait. Yes, as you can see in the background, it's saying assessment completed. That means that now everything is done. You have got 100 out of 100 points, and then only you have to click on end lab. And just to add one thing, if you scroll down, yes, you can, guys, you can see the required. It is written in capital letters in the right hand side. So you have to complete all the required labs. But there are some labs, for example, in the second one, you can see in the second one you can see quick start hyphen console or hyphen command line. That means that you have to do only one out of these two. So whenever you see a or section, you have to click. I would recommend you to complete the command line one because that is really easy. You have to just copy paste the entire commands, and as you can see that in the right hand side it is written 30 minutes, but we are completed with the entire lab in just 2 to 3 minutes. So this means that you can do the entire seven labs in seven into I think 2 minutes. That means 14 minutes. So you are completed with one skill lab in 14 minutes, and you will see this course badge, and you can simply add this course badge into your credly, your CV, your resume, anything. Uh, one second. Uday, that does not mean that you have 4 days only. That means that if you complete the skill badges in July, then you have to do one skill badge for 1 point. If, for example, you cannot complete your 21 skill badges or 42 skill badges, then you can still complete the skill badges in August and September. But in that case, you have to do two skill badges to get 1 point. I hope I am clear and Your doubt is also clear. Also, one thing, I have written some roadmap for you. A lot of people were asking that what are the steps that we have to complete. So as you can see, step number one is to complete the registration form. Step number two is to claim your 2 month subscription. You have seen the entire demo in today's meet. First, you will be getting 9 credits. Then that will be converted into your monthly subscription. The third point, or I think that everyone will be doing from here only, since you have already completed your subscription as well as registration. So now what you have to do, check out our WhatsApp group. We will be sharing you a document in which it contains all the skill badges as well as their shortcuts and tricks. Like you have seen right now, this was a trick to complete the entire lab. Instead of utilizing 30 minutes, we had just done the entire lab in 2 minutes only. So you have to do it one by one. You can start from the basic ones, the most easy ones, and then if you are completed in the easy ones, then you can go to the intermediate and advanced. So that will be point number three, and this will be easy for you till 31st July, because I had already told you till 31st there will be one skill, 1 point for one skill batch. But no problem, if you could not complete it, you can still complete it in August. And the fourth point is, from August onwards, you will be starting to get games as well as trivia badges. We will be holding another meet in the month of August. But what it simply means that, as I have told you, the arcade website, in that instead of getting skill badge of the day, there will be also three more things, which will be arcade games level 1, level 2, and trivia will be for each week. uh, there are 4 weeks in a month. So in week 1, only week 1 trivia will be opened. Similarly, in week 2, week 1 and 2, week 3, 1, 2, and 3, and in the fourth week, all the 4 weeks will be completely open for everyone. One really important thing is that once you click on the game or the trivia, there are few seats. Matlab, they are limited seats. So what I recommend you to, in the first day of the month, for example 1st of August or 1st of September, click on all the levels, all the games, level 1, level 2, and level 3, and just enroll in it, so that you get your you get one out of the limited seats. The limited seats are, I guess, 10,000. But since this is a huge process and multiple groups are there, so I recommend you to go on to the first day and click on enroll in all the three levels. Similarly for all the trivias also. So yeah, that's it for today, and I really thank you for waiting patiently and listening to the entire presentation. I hope that everyone is now clear of all the doubts, and they know what to do, how to do it. And yeah, that's it. All the best. Thank you so much. Yes. Thank you so much. Bye.